Hi, my name is Sudhir. In this video, I would like to show you how to resolve MySQL foreign key errors. The first step is we need to find out root cause. In general, MySQL InnoDB engine supports the foreign key relations. If there is any error while executing create table, it won't display exact root cause. Let me show you one example. These are the tables I am trying to create. Department table and employee table I am creating. If you see now I am going to create employee table. It is giving cannot add foreign key constraint. There is no much details. It is simply saying cannot get the details. If you want to find out exact root cause, we are by default engine is InnoDB. In InnoDB there is a output called show engine InnoDB status. It will give a very big output which is in this format. In this output there is one column called foreign key, last foreign key error. Here we can able to find out. And if one more option is smart workbench. If you try to create here, it can give that error message along with that foreign key, recent foreign key information. This is a benefit with Smart Workbench. In any other tools, they just provide that error message what MySQL is providing. But in Smart Workbench, it can able to grab the details, foreign key errors details from InnoDB status engine. Even MySQL Workbench also could not provide this output, but only Smart Workbench. And it along with that there is a Google search engine help. If you click it, it can able to search these related errors in Google and Stack Overflow, Yahoo, Bing. This all search engine helps also we can able to find out. My next point is like we already know that root cause. If you go through that output, there is a column types. There is a problem with column types. It means like my first table column data type is begin unsigned. In my employee table, it is just varchar. That is the reason it could not. Whenever you are creating a foreign key, here if you see this is a foreign key, both data types, that is department table is the parent table and employee is the child table. These two data types should be same, or in employee table the data type should be bigger than that parent table. Here already we are using big int, and integer family we have to choose bigger or same data type. And even there is one more thing is unsigned. Unsigned, it means like it won't allow negative numbers. If you don't provide, the range will be lesser and it can provide negative numbers. Then department maybe give some range, it may not allowed in employee table column. That's why we have to use same unsigned. Now if you try to create, next possible case is data mismatch. Data mismatch means the child table already existed without foreign key, but it has some data and the data is mismatching with parent table. Let me create one test case. I'm going to drop existing employee table and I'm dropping I'm removing foreign key, creating one table, inserting one row. In SmartMySQL, if you type I or insert and drag the table, it will generate insert command. For ID, we can go with null. Department ID, we can put some numbers. Department table. I'm going to create one record. Department table, there is no record. Let's try to add. This is the case like the parent, the child table has some data, but parent table doesn't have related data. Means like department, there is no record with the 230. I'm going to create one of these foreign key. It is giving some different error. It is saying the child table, the tuple which is not existed in a parent table. And this is really understanding is little bit difficult. We need to this hexa format. We need to convert it, and it is saying like, but in parent table, it is saying like this tuple is exist in child table, and in parent table it is not closest match. Could not find out. This is the reason. Many people could not understand this much information, Actually, the thing is, it is trying to create and it identified one tuple, which is like we are 234. If you converted this hexa number, we can get that. It is checking in parent table and it could not find out that parent table ID is the primary key. It could not find out that record. That is the information what we have. We'll get like this. In this case, you need to delete existing record in child table, or you need to add the same record. For example, if you add 234 record, I created it, we can ignore it. Default values are there. Let's try to insert this record. We have inserted. Let's try to add now. Now I can able to add foreign key constraint. Data mismatch. You have to check, for example, in this case, if you want to find out any record which is not matched in child table, if you want to find out second case, the thing is like just drag the table, which column you have, is the department number, right? If you drag this column, SmartMySQL generate select query, and you can use here a sub query like select. I can drag it, select department, comma ID. Here we can use not in. If you get this query, semicolon, if this query returns some value, it means the employee table have some information which is not matched in department table. If you verify both these two cases, it almost your foreign key errors will you can able to resolve. I am using Smart Workbench. Smart Workbench, I think you guys check this one while creating query. It is just take 3-4 seconds. In other tools, it definitely takes 2-3 minutes. It is really 10 times faster. If you would like to speed up your SQL development, start using Smart Workbench. Provide download links in below description. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will keep on update new MySQL and SQL tips.